Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. We are studying Murakkab Idafi in detail. We know that Murakkab Idafi is also called Idafa, which means addition. One noun is added to another noun. And this addition could be that of possession, that one noun is possessed by another noun, or that this may simply be an attribution, that one noun is attributed to another noun. Now, mudaf in mudaf ilayh stands out from a distance because it does not take al and it does not take the mean either. However, that applies only to singular nouns and to some jama mukassar and jama muannas salim. What about duals and jama muzakkar salim? Because these nouns do not have tanween and their Arab is shown in a different way. Let us look at our example. The boy's book. We said Kitabul Waladi. The boy's book. We translate it as Kitabul Waladi. Mudaf mudaf ilayh. Very simple to work out, no problem at all. What happens when boy has two books rather than one book? Because boy can have two books, and we want to say the boy's two books are the two books of the boy, as we say in Arabic. So two books of the boy. So boy, we know it's waladun, our vocabulary, and books, two books. From kitabun, it becomes kitabani. It becomes kitabani. Kitabani. So this kitabani is in Rafa. So in Nasab and Jar, it's going to be, let's write down here. Kitabani. Kitabaini. And Jar is also Kitabaini. Kitabaini. So let us try to translate this. The two books of the boy. We can translate up whatever we know up till now. We can say, okay, let's take this Rafa form of it. So our tendency will be to say Kitabani and then Al-Waladi. Al-Waladi. So this will become Kitabanil Waladi. Kitabanil Waladi. But this is wrong. This is not how we write, and this is not how we pronounce this. We know that we said that mudaf does not take tanween and it does not take al either. Other way of saying that is that the i'rab of mudaf is light. It's not heavy. For example, when we from kitabun, when we remove tanween, it becomes light. It becomes kitabu. It's not as heavy as it is with tanween. So the i'rab of mudaf is light, and it doesn't take al either. That will also give kind of heaviness to the noun. So let us assume mudaf to be something very delicate. that it doesn't have the capacity to carry heavy stuff. So its mudaf will have to be light. So it's easy to lighten the i'rab when it is tanween. We can remove tanween, dhamma, fataha, or kasra and make a single dhamma, single fatha, and single kasra. What about then dual nouns? How we lighten their i'rab? How we make them less heavy? So what happens is that we drop noon. This noon is dropped. This noon is called noon Arabi. So noon Arabi is dropped. Noon Arabi. So when we drop noon Arabi, what we are left with is Kitab al Waladi. So our construction will be Kitab al Waladi. The boy's two books. So how we differentiate this from, for example, if mudaf is used in some places in nasr, so that will be singular kitab al waladi. So how we differentiate this from this? So what we can do is we can prolong it a little bit, not a lot. We can say in pronunciation, when we vocalize this, we can say kitab al waladi, not kitab al waladi, but kitab al waladi rather than saying kitab al waladi. So in sound, we can make some differentiation of this from this, but in writing, it becomes clear. This means two books of the boy. This still means one book of the boy. So kitab al waladi.